So gaining feedback from those that we work with is really, really important for us. It helps us to measure our impact and our successes. And in my experience, the feedback that we've been receiving from staff and our youngsters has been hugely positive. I know that they are ready to welcome us into schools, because as soon as I arrive in that playground, they're shouting and cheering and hello, and the warm welcomes into schools has been something that I've noticed wherever I've gone to deliver sessions. Staff are also really, really hugely welcoming of you. Arrive into the classes, the children come to the front and greet you, and they're looking forward to what's happening next. They're inquisitive, what are we doing today, or can we do our massage train, and they're already asking to do certain tools or practice certain strategies. So that excitement gives us feedback that what we're doing is working, and it has got impact on these youngsters. At the end of our sessions, or blocks of sessions, certainly working with staff, we like to collect feedback through our QR codes to give staff the opportunity to give us a little bit more detailed feedback. How do you notice any changes in behaviours as the children are coming back to your classroom after sessions? Is this positive? Are there areas that you feel like we could work on more? Or perhaps there's a particular strategy or wellbeing tool that the children are talking about and the teachers may hear this within the classrooms. We want to know about these things, because certainly that can feed into how we deliver our sessions. So this open communication with staff is really important for us. It helps us to adapt our strategies and our sessions to suit the different learners within our care.